Long before taxes, central banks, or job interviews, there were just two guys on a remote island. Their lives were simple, so simple they made a rock look busy. Every day they woke up, walked into the sea, flailed around, and hopefully caught one slippery fish. Just one. That fish was enough to fill their stomachs for the day. But hey, full is full. No fish, no food. So every day it was, wake up, fish, eat, sleep, rinse and repeat. But then something crazy happened. One of the guys, let's call him the thinker, decided to mess with the system. One morning he didn't go fishing. He skipped the hunt entirely and instead tried to build something. A net. Now this wasn't exactly high tech. It was vines, sticks, maybe some wishful thinking. But the goal was simple. Stop catching just one fish per day like a caveman and start pulling in more. The cost? One very empty stomach. Of course, the net didn't work. Not the first time, or the second, or the third. But eventually, after enough days of stomach grumbling and salty failure, the thing actually worked. And just like that, boom, 2 fish in one haul. 1 fish to eat, 1 fish to save. And now the game had changed. With that extra fish in his pocket, well, not literally, they didn't have pockets. The thinker didn't have to fish the next day, or even the next. He had food saved. He could finally do something unheard of on the island, rest. Meanwhile, the other guy was still playing catch a fish or die every single day, and he noticed that his buddy wasn't joining him in the water anymore. One day the fisherman came over and asked the obvious question, "Hey, can I have one of your extra fish?" The thinker raised an eyebrow. "Sure. What do I get in return?" The fisherman paused, scratched his head, and made a deal. "You give me the extra fish today, and tomorrow I'll go fishing with your net. You can stay here and nap or invent or whatever." Deal. And just like that, they had invented a division of labor. One man fished, one man built. Both men ate. With his new free time, the thinker didn't just twiddle his thumbs, he built a bigger net. Now it could catch 4 fish a day. Production doubled again. They only needed to go fishing every 2 days. But of course, peace never lasts. The fisherman started feeling a little annoyed. He was doing all the hauling and sweating, while the net guy was drawing stick figures in the sand and inventing new gear. Sure, he got fed, but it didn't feel fair, so they talked. "If I'm doing the fishing," the fisherman said, "we need a better arrangement." The thinker didn't argue. He pitched something new instead. "There's a village not far from here. They don't have fish, but they grow rice. If we catch extra fish, we can trade." That was something new. So the thinker built an even bigger net, and the fisherman worked overtime. They caught 10 extra fish and hiked to the rice village, ready to trade. But the villagers had a problem. No rice ready. It was all still growing. The thinker made them a deal. "Take the fish now, but pay us back in 1 month with 12 fish worth of rice." The villagers agreed. Everyone was happy. The farmers got a break from their work. The fisherman and innovator returned home. No rice in hand, but with a promise of future return. And that was the day they invented credit. With credit in motion, everything moved faster. The innovator improved the net again. The fisherman still fished every 2 days. And soon other villages came knocking. Some had vegetables, others had fruit, others had nothing but promises. That was fine. Fish today, tomatoes next week, a stone tool next month. The thinker accepted it all. The fisherman and the innovator were finally living well. They had more food, more trade, and more time. But the problems were only just beginning. Today, we laid the foundation for our story. In the next episodes, we'll explore the economics of socialist and capitalist systems and discuss how each model was influenced by the thinker and the fisherman.